Hey everyone, Roger here, and we've all had those days when we want to go on a casual hike or some other outing, but we really don't feel like lugging around a full-size tripod like this one. And that's usually the time when a beautiful photograph presents itself and we need the stability of a tripod to get the shot. This is the Explorer EX-26 Travel Tripod Kit. Weighing only 11 ounces or 320 grams, this all-aircraft grade aluminum tripod can support up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. Although it's tiny, this rugged little tripod can be placed on any surface, and with the included Explorer EX-01 travel ball head, you can securely position your camera to the perfect composition. The ball head has a rotating 360-degree base with scale marks that is helpful when you're shooting panoramic images, and it also accepts ARCA compatible base plates, and we also include our EX-26 plate in the kit. The Explorer Travel Mini Tabletop Tripod has a single leg section design, and its height is adjustable by expanding the leg radius via the rotating collar ring. It can lower down to 4 inches, and at its tallest, it's a little over 7 inches tall. The Explorer EX-MK Mini Tripod Kit can easily support and stabilize a DSLR or mirrorless camera, but it is so conveniently compact you can use it as a stand for mobile phones when combined with the Explorer MX360 bracket. Or you can also use it for small lights such as our Explorer Aura series or other accessories. The Explorer EX-MK Travel Mini Tabletop Tripod Kit is part of the ever-increasing range of camera accessories from Explorer Photo and Video. Gear that's conceived by photographers for photographers. It's available online and at our network of local dealers.